they run away. If I they run before, I no run anymore. The reason I run away, now make we for run another day. Welcome to Top Night Show. My brother IzyBeatz, God go bless you today, especially for that music where you just play. You know, say song of those days. I don't know. It might say quite those times. They used to say some kind proverb when you go sit down, you go think you are alive. But nowadays, you can now bend down low, bend down low. Oh yeah, pick up stick, stand up, pick up stick. You know, what can you learn from those kind of music? So thank a lot. Welcome to Top Night Show. Today na Friday, and you know say Relationship Friday. Now why you play that song? Face me, I face you. You know mean say waiting you do outside, me self could follow do. You know mean say as you know, me self, you know. So it could be like tit for tat, butter for bread, peas for peanuts, and peanuts for peas. You get anything like that?
I don't know. I got the one.
The thing just rhyme.
I got the one as waiting. I tell you, everybody where I go say,
No.
For the beginning will be the end. Next, you just lose us. As peanuts enter the matter, it just change.
Peanuts point out piece. I said, okay.
You just go from wisdom to another thing.
You know, say, every Friday, person must to put your ear down and learn something. Now, say they be on Top Relationship Friday with Pastor Iheanyi. If you don't open your pen and pencil and paper, keep your eraser, yours by your table side. Hold your phone also just by your side. If you don't learn anything on Top Relationship Friday, then be say there's problem in your life and there's problem for you till eternity. So on Top Relationship Friday, if to say una watch the show last week, we talk suspicion in relationship. Pastor Iheanyi don't enter studio. You know, say Pastor Iheanyi they give some kind ginger. You could get wisdom and intelligence and sense by force. You know, see IzyBeatz. Nobody even tell IzyBeatz to play that song. Izzy yours, you know, he just decode how things be. You know, so he using sense as Pastor Iheanyi don't enter studio. So he just, all of us just ginger. So you can't play that song. If we ask Izzy now, you just forget the intro. You know, say Izzy, it be like say before, maybe in they make mistake for the music, but we know, me and Pastor Iheanyi know, because say we know IzyBeatz. We know what he want to do. He get to introduce himself. This, the DJ, IzyBeatz. Invincible. DJ. Play him again when we hear. No, when we hear. Make him master us. Play him again.
On the wheels of steel.
It's Mr. Incredible. The most wanted DJ.
Stop! Kill him! Mr. Incredible DJ IzyBeatz. You don't go get me and Nedmo go do some kind twist for you. DJ IzyBeatz, aka Mr. Incredible. Now he come mix the jam for us.
DJ IzyBeatz.
Oh, I just they laugh anyhow. No be so I be. Pastor, you know me. On a good day, I did very calm. I did all right. But you know, say now, onto Relationship Friday, you must ginger anyhow. So Muna, follow me. Welcome, Pastor Iheanyi, onto Relationship Friday, onto Night Show.
Right. Thank you very much, Katim. Thank you very much.
Ogami,
how you doing?
See me, we just the man, we just the learn. You know, some people don't they ask, say, one another ever tell us, waiting be Pastor Iheanyi, Twitter handle, email address, and everything. I beg, forgive us. You know, say when Pastor Iheanyi dey here, all of us, you know, all the questions we won't ask, we just won't ask them all at once, so we know they remember. On Twitter, I beg, follow Pastor Iheanyi at Iheanyi
1.
At Iheanyi 1 on top Twitter. You could there our TV screen, so you could see I'm at Iheanyi 1 on top Twitter. If you want to send an email, you know, all those your personal something, for you when you treat on a private P. So I need do Ejiogu Iheanyi
at Yahoo.
Ejiogu Iheanyi at yahoo.com. Everything go there on top your television screen. Yours in case there's no time to take your question or your comment or you know everything. So you fit find them there. From there on, I could fit discuss. In could fit treat. You know what thing they do you like doctor, but this one could be doctor of relationship and doctor of love. Pastor. I beg, suspicion in you know say a person come meet me after the show last week. He say no one talk. Say sometimes when they watch the TV show, nobody say he know they learn anything, but in the fear to call to say I can't tell and say even if you call, you tell and say your name na Sebastian or your name na Anthony.
Or say you don't want to talk your name.
You not even want to talk your name. Say my name is unknown. I'm calling from unknown destination.
Like
say we could still answer you. But in say in they learn well. Wow. Say what you discuss inside suspicion for it. Now what they go on between him and in fiancé.
Wow.
Now I say when I never marry be like this, say make him listen today, make him watch show. Say maybe him go learn more from you.
Whoever he be, thank you very much. We thank God so now they learn, say the thing that makes sense. But it is very important, make beyond learning, make we begin practice. You know, and not there where we did for this matter. So make we start suspicion. Last week we did talk how suspicion they take start. You know,
fear,
say how we take start self now, the way you see the world, the way you be,
yes.
now you go interpret the world.
Yes.
So if you suspect person, you they suspect yourself. You don't notice say most people when they make trouble as per their partner, they code.
Okay, so they can't create
drama
for house.
Most times, person where they make trouble, the thing where they talk about past, now they struggle with. And not be say
this Pastor Iheanyi, you know say if person fit come just meet Pastor Iheanyi, say Pastor, you know say this thing they happen, this thing, you say go quiet, just they look the person, but the person don't know say he don't show himself.
Yeah, no, it's just because the real matter be say it did there, it did inside you somewhere. So now to sit down, help you understand, say the reason why you they fear. Now because you they fear. Yes.
But they tell people like
the way you they fear. Now you they do. Most times, you see, this matter, no be this show matter, but now just intro will just take starts, and the intro makes sense. I mean, it tries more. Yes. So as we enter suspicion, we talked fear last week. The core of submission, na trust. If you don't trust person, it no matter what the person do. If you never trust them, if you don't trust the person, it no matter what the person do, command good day.
Okay.
You never see people where they suspect people when they do anything.
It happen every time.
Now, nothing. Now just once you know trust them, and these things, your value systems and your beliefs, know they start today. Your brain, your mind, they always look for references. For instance, if I mention 100 billion, and I say by next week you'll get 100 billion. If na laughter first come, or if not today, first come, your mind don't sure say that 100 billion no be your own. Okay. And how it take happen, no be today, no be as I talk 100 billion.
Yes.
Now, chain of references where your mind don't get growing up.
Okay.
You don't know anybody where get 100 billion. You don't know any uncle where get 100 billion. You never see anybody where get 100 billion. So your mind go make chain reactions of that thing. And once you sure say the chain don't strong, it will turn into facts for your head. And once it become facts for your head, it go take convincing to dismiss that fact. For instance, some women believe say all men are dogs. It no start that day when they talk. They don't they form connections. They come
from when they go.
Yes, something that they hear Jesus. They don't read magazine. They don't watch film. They don't see their sister, their elder sister, husband.
Yes.
They don't. So they don't. Your brain don't automatically create connections for you. So when you hear say person they get good marriage, leave am not today. We don't know how everything take they be. Now what did they happen there? Now your belief system they struggle with the current reality where you just hear. So for instance, if I say next week you get Range Rover. You fit, and this thing happen a lot even for church. People go shout, jump, receive, claim. But the reason why you know they happen, no be because that thing where pastor talk no be true.
Easy, why you didn't
you know, listen, we like that, we do that. You know? So once we do them and we don't take them, you know. So, as we come out, enter Lagos, light off, NEPA come strike. You on generator no on. Landlord comes in at the home. You could just go back. Those things no mean say waiting you hear no be true.
Okay.
You know, but because because this not the natural references where you don't get. You could just even stop to the talk, say range, which range? I never pay light, no they gen, no they rock.
That's true.
You get, like,
that's what.
Your mind go shot, go kill, go murder the thing, go stab out, go kill and throw out.
If person even remind you, if it be fight.
Yes, if he would say, look, don't insult me. Don't be not just take light. So if I get money by range, I know don't repair light. You know, and with your own mind, you go disconnect yourself from that truth. Where you go get range next week. The same thing with suspicion. If you believe, say, all men be dogs or all men be cheats, any and everything will raise suspicion. If you believe, say, every girl for Lagos get game plan, even if you meet girl for church,
Yes.
you go hold your two guns, because for your mind, everybody get game plan.
Game plan.
And so trust no be wetin the person do or no do. Trust they start from you, not be from the person.
But if to, say, this thing na practical. No be say we no believe, say, But say, because sometimes, because of waiting people don't experience.
Yes.
In self the relationship or marry or whichever one anybody won't call them.
Yes.
Maybe the person where they involved with don't do them strong thing before.
Yes.
So no be normal something for them to think. Say,
And you see, that's why why would the talk say it dey normal for the type of information when you don't get to determine the way you dey think. But now why you need conscious teaching like we dey do this evening. Now, for instance, make I talk say, say they're very hard to breathe. Now, as I talk, you could begin one try to think whether they hard to breathe. Because before now, they're aware. That's why they do subconsciously. You just they breathe. Your lungs, they walk, your liver. They try do them. It just they do them. Once an awareness comes, you go change your perception. So, for instance, if say you do always think, say, man, they cheat, you need to be aware, see you do always think that way, so that you go think that way. So that if the man just come back late, make the first thing where cross your mind, no be say he get wrongs. Make it just be he come back late.
but suppose he get wrongs.
You see that one now. You see that thing. Now this thing now program. You see suppose don't enter the matter now. You see that thing there. This is what they talk about. Now program where they run. So what would they try do now? Would they try just if you not come out the program? Would they try create another program? Come out that wire, put on top the new program.
Okay,
so that thing
just put, I don't care.
Make we just come out and put somewhere else, because if you know do am, if you look for trouble, you go see am. If somebody says, hello there, how was your day? And that person don't they talk am before, you begin suspect that your girl. That day you go see am and you not go be hello there again. It could just become another thing where plan. You go just look at. So when she enter, hello there. So now they tell you now, that's what they're telling you now, hello there, and you say if they agree. If I don't see this thing now, if I just reply, I'm fine there. All right now. My dear, bring food, make I chop now.
Dear.
Now dear every day now, my dear. Bring water, make it. And once
Hashtag dear.
Hashtag my dear. And once that thing starts, now like cancer, it will just begin spread. Your mind will just begin, because you are so intelligent, your mind will begin make connections you don't even there. You just begin connect that time when she come back yesterday, 7 o'clock, but she enter house 8:30. Why? But she called me, say she don't dare state gate around 7. Why she enter house 8:30?
Maybe she wants.
You go come notice, say you ask a question that day. Now then you come, your mind, you go come enter FBI mode. Where you go? You see, because I dey quiet, they don't turn me to fool from today. And once you declare from today, that's the word don't enter that matter. Once you talk from today, word don't day. You see, this Katim laughter.
I know.
Now,
I just
meat. So meat, they inside this matter. See easy eyes. So they send you text around 7:30, say they don't come, we'll say just the area. Then at 9 she enter, but just talk. The other time when you see that dear, you come to tie them up. Say, my dear, 9 o'clock. 7:30.
7:30, 8:30. You sit down by yourself there.
And then we just talk, suppose. I don't they fool. They just they use me, they play ball. I don't even know. From today,
meanwhile, nothing fit dey there.
Nothing. Absolutely. Maybe she stop wash and set her hair. But because as she they even vex for you, say you don't notice the hair she make. You don't need the vex, say she come back 7. She don't enter house till 8:30. And then she just be looking. And both of now, you see how communication is a real big deal. She could just come inside, I was quiet. Say, I'm not going to try again. No. This is not rubbish. Every time I go do hair. And this man no go. And meanwhile, the man, they look. 7:30, 9. My dear. Both of them go begin suspect themselves. Or she hear him for phone. They talk, say, maybe her in colleague for work that day. Say, Kemi, Maybe they try bribe Kemi, say no, go come work tomorrow. Kemi, that your dress today and that, you know. The night before, night she come back, she make her, he no notice her. And then tomorrow, to go to the husband for phone. Say, Kemi, that your dress, ha, now die. Now one in town. God bless you for us. Say, they look the man. He need to don't begin suspect him. You know, say, now hey, 18 takes that. He own to now text. Before you know him, two of them go just they suspect themselves. And everybody get game plan. Just they look every move.
Face me, I face you.
No, now the song will take start. Now you see, it be like film.
Do me, I do.
But not like these simple things. Very little.
But you know, say they, and you know, say it quick they happen. It dey
very quick.
It dey very rampant. It get people when I know. IzyBeatz say follow know them. This man, you self know him. You know, feel waka with them. Contact another person say, oh, your dress fine. You say, or you say, just stop. Say, nah, how you dey? When in day with in partner.
Yes.
It could be quarrel. Why you go tell and say her dress fine?
Okay.
Why you go tell and say him dress fine?
You know, see that one now, That one to now another dimension of suspicion. But we go give him the proper name so that we go fit address him. Now insecurity.
See that na part of
yes, insecurity now. Insecurity is another part, another type or another subset of this whole suspicion. If once you dey insecure of yourself, anything where be like something where you know go fit do, you go fear. For instance, if you know be person who sabi hug or sabi make conversation, and then your partner sabi talk, sabi make conversation, and then they say like you connect to people, they connect, you know, you go look at them and say something like this one day. And nobody don't talk about. Now you see that why the foundation of suspicion now yourself. By yourself you go sit down, say the way they laugh, they greet people like this. Now so one day you go laugh, you go, and you go leave me. You never talk about. Now you don't begin talk about. So you go come begin fight for waiting no be struggle. Now then you go begin see yourself to do things where no make sense. You go want the follow and come out. You go want the follow and sit down. Before you know them, you go lose yourself for her. Or you go lose who you be for her. You go want the follow and go lectures. You go want the dance and say that you go drop them. You go, you know, and then you go then you go enter error where be obsession. And once you enter obsession, you know they think with your normal mind again. You are now abnormal. So now war zone. Anybody will greet them that die. You know, someone just come, maybe a colleague for office. But you know what they say, hey baby, morning, you know. You just look at.
See?
Yeah. My baby, then they call you to for this place. You go stop work here. You go stop. Say, but it's helping us in there. I say, no, it's helping you in the house. You will stop this work. If you know you love me, I cannot call family meeting. You will look for something to do about this rubbish. When the family meeting say, see, I don't know what they go through. Now midday office, where they call them baby. Now midday office. And I don't know how to take me from my mind. And that, problem go come dey. For the man, men they always sometimes they code them. You know, if he's a boju, and you're going out with your friends, you don't say okay. Then you can't see. Hope you came with your beach. Hope you came with your beach dress. B. You don't know whether na Biodu or na Buki, but you just see B. Bayo. Hey.
Beatrice.
No, go thinking. No, when suspicion don't day. Everything go they click what you want. Anything where you want to see. Anything where you want to see. You see. So
now you did the program yourself.
Yes,
they program yourself.
You the program yourself. So when you see Beatrice, Buki, Beauty, no go come your mind though. Na Bayo, Babayaro. Because they find names just they come. So you don't want to fall your own hand. You don't agree, makes you go. So Sunday afternoon, you go just find trouble, just day. As you cook, you say that you ask them that, is this what we are doing, we will eat? What kind of person are you? Because you are going, is it this party, you're sure you're not going anywhere. You go stand up, enter, lock door, you know, in the entire room. Oh. Don't they walk in magic? They swear. So make she just come, try talk to me now. Go close the mouth for her. You know, honey's that. Honey's what? Can you get out and cook? Simple. It's cook. We say it's your cook. Oh. I didn't tell you to do anything. It's cook. He said, but we normally eat rice. So we can't make a difference on Sunday afternoon because of you.
And so she could
because you're going for a party.
Ha. See as it turned, and you know say
of course. This your friends. Won't you see them again? No, they see Monday to Friday. Why not today you want to see them? Look, you have
Meanwhile,
not
you
told
don't
me.
agree, say,
Listen,
make she go the party.
Straight. You have not, look, I'm watching you. You have not told me, you. Get out. You're not going anywhere.
Meanwhile, now you did the program. Meanwhile, now him.
But, no, from your mouth. Take your phones and leave this place. You don't almost cast yourself. You don't forget. You don't remember now. You nearly cast. Say that they ain't get the wisdom.
Not even wisdom.
You know? And
then she could find a way to say sorry.
They
No,
try
no.
to- and the guy, they rake. So, sometimes some people, to show you how insecure people are, some people no go even fit talk, saying until when you see this. Some ladies, some people go even talk. Some people no go talk. They don't go text on your phone, text, so they see.
just leave
They
you
just
hanging.
they form anger. Say you're not going anywhere. Can't I tell you not to go? Call your elder brother. Let us find out whether it's possible for a husband to say, I don't want a wife to go out. Am I committing a crime again? Please call somebody now. Let somebody come and judge this one now. I said I don't want her to go out. I can't stay with my wife again because she wants to go out. And
then believe her.
Of course. And then she go come and say, but it's
not
not
like
like that
that.
now. It's not like, it's not. I said, no. Okay, don't go anywhere. Do you want to obey me or do you want to play? Which one do you want?
She could sit down how? What did she want to do again?
course,
She
now.
could sit down
She
how?
go sit down for.
And then now you later, now you go wear cloth.
You don't dey around
Carry
7.
your,
Around 7, you
carry
go to
your-
one stand up to make you just stretch legs more. Carry key.
Eh.
You say no, it's okay. Let me just see Deji. Let me just, I'm coming back now. Okay. Say, can I come with you? You want to go out? Yeah, come, let's go to see Deji now. And then they go and see and they laugh, they play. He has not dealt with his insecurity. He has just covered it. Because the truth we say, if we reach there again, and then Deji house, you know, not in a party, and then all those in friends say, we know see, but we just say, we come Deji. And that thing when they fear. Now you don't carry the girl come. You don't carry the woman come. So we'll go. Say it's going to be a quick one. Okay, but we'll just greet Deji and tomorrow on a Monday. So we'll go house. Okay.
We did on top relationship Friday. Hey, we Pastor Iheanyi, my brother. That boy, if I tell me, you don't got small child something, oh?
No.
Yeah, me. Say now work program. You create program and enter the program yourself.
and they are running
In case you use the join us with a suspicion in relationship, when we come back quick. When we come back, we go try find out whether I get different type of this suspicion apart from all this program. We they come back just now.
If you not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.